Hi, in the last couple of years I've always done a Q&A video around the Christmas New Year holiday time on this channel. Reviewed the year past and looked forward to the year ahead. This year I'm not going to do that. This year, sadly, the holiday period has been overshadowed by the horrible bushfires here in Australia. My country is burning and it's been absolutely heartbreaking to see. The images that we're seeing on TV of people's houses being burnt down, lives being lost, the horrendous and mammoth toll on wildlife being killed. Over the last couple of days it's really hit home here in South Australia, in Adelaide. Kangaroo Island is a holiday paradise here. It's the jewel in the crown of our tourism industry, and people come from around the world to see it. Half the island is now burnt. The iconic Southern Ocean Lodge, which attracts people from all over the world, has been destroyed. And one of the absolute pioneers of bush tourism, Dick Lang, unfortunately with his son, passed away in those fires. It's going to hit the tourism industry very, very badly here, but it's hitting everybody really badly throughout Australia. This is what's happened here in Adelaide, in South Australia, is just a very small portion of what's being repeated all over the country. Absolutely horrendous scenes. That said, throughout this, we're seeing the best parts of Aussie spirits and the Aussie character come through in the literally thousands and thousands of volunteer firefighters, and everybody else, and now including the army and firefighters from overseas coming through and helping out, and ordinary Australians donating and their time and services as well as money. That's been really nice to see. But nobody wants to see disasters like this. So no, I'm not going to do a Q&A video. As you probably know, this channel is a side hobby for me. I don't do this for the money. I do this for my love of aviation, of travel, the travel industry and of flying, and my willingness to share that with people. I therefore made the decision that all of the advertising revenue that I've made from this channel through YouTube in the last 6 months, I'll be donating through to the fire relief effort split between the Country Fire Service here in Adelaide or South Australia, and some wildlife charities that are helping to look after the animals that have been impacted. That totals at 10,600, 700 US dollars, so just over 15,000 Australian dollars. So I just want to thank everybody that's watched my videos in the last 6 months and not skip the ads. You've helped to contribute to that total. I've said it before, I'm overwhelmed by the support I get on this channel, so thank you to everybody. The question is now, where do we go from here? Because the reality is some quick donations and stuff isn't going to cut it. And look, people around the world are opening their wallets up, and people in Australia as well, and making donations, and I'll put links below of where you can donate if that's what you'd like to do. But this is going to require a much longer term effort, and unfortunately I have had some experience in this area. I was in Egypt during the revolution and the Arab Spring, and through our company Bunnik Tours, we've been working ever since that time in 2011 to help rebuild the tourism industry in Egypt. Similarly, recently in Sri Lanka with the horrible bombings they had there at Easter. In all of these situations, it's natural for tourists to stay away, to think, oh, I can't visit there, it's too dangerous, or there won't be anything to see. It's not the case. It's sometimes the best once these things are over to visit, and that's what Australia needs. If you're overseas and you're thinking of coming to Australia, don't put it off. There's lots of beautiful parts of this country that haven't been impacted by the fires. The areas that have been impacted by the fires, they need help as well. They need people to come and visit. Australians, if you're living here in Australia, the best thing that we can do in the coming weeks and months ahead is to take some road trips, to get out there, out of the cities and into these regional areas. Go and fill up our cars, travel out there with empty eskies and shop in the shops and eat in the local restaurants and stay in the hotels. It's going to take a lot of time to rebuild these economies, and it needs all of our help. Bannock Tours, we don't, ironically, we sell the world to Australians. Now we're asking Australians to come to see their own country. We'll also be making donations, but we're also asking people overseas to not put off coming to this country. Hopefully together we can all get through this. This is a time to hug your loved ones a little bit closer and let's see if we can make this world a better place. Unfortunately, with all of these disasters, often things turn political and no more so than when it comes to climate change and the whole debate and stuff around there. I'm not going to get into that, but it is very clear to me that that we need to change what we're doing in this world and take climate change far more seriously. Also resourcing of the fire departments and how we fight fires and how we prepare for these sorts of things. The summers are getting longer, the summers are getting hotter. But that will all come in the coming weeks and months as the inquest starts. In the meantime, we've got to pick ourselves up and try and help the best we can. So look, thank you to all of the incredible Australians that have and people from overseas that have helped in this disaster. It means a lot to all of us here. It really does. At a place like Adelaide, we've got 1.2 million people. There aren't too many people in Adelaide who don't know somebody or know somebody who knows somebody who's lost a house. That's how interconnected and stuff we all are. So, look, not the happiest of videos, but thank you everybody for your support. All the best for a safe, healthy, and hopefully happy 2020. Yes, the flight reviews will keep coming, but let's take a moment just to think about what's happening in the world and see how we can all help to make things a little bit better. All the best. Thank you.